Welcome to Mastering Revision with NotebookLM, your personal AI-powered study assistant. We'll show you how this tool can revolutionize your study habits. Revision is not just about working harder. It is about working with better systems. In this video, we are going to look at how NotebookLM can act as your personal AI-powered study assistant. The key idea is simple. Instead of having your notes, textbooks, PDFs, websites, and revision materials scattered everywhere, NotebookLM helps you bring them together into one organized study space. Used properly, it can help you summarize, question, connect, and verify your learning. This video will guide you through the road to AI-powered success. We'll cover the problem and solution, setup, the AI artifacts, and how NotebookLM ensures accuracy. Here is the route we are going to follow. First, we will look at the problem, information overload. Then we will look at the solution, setting up a NotebookLM knowledge base using your own sources. After that, we will explore the AI artifacts it can create, such as study guides, FAQs, concept maps, and audio summaries. Finally, we will look at accuracy, because with AI, the big question is not just can it give me an answer, but can I trust that answer? Revision often feels like climbing a mountain of information overload. A huge 85% of students feel overwhelmed. NotebookLM is your base camp, organizing all sources into a single, searchable knowledge brain. Revision can feel like climbing a mountain. You might have exercise books, loose sheets, textbook pages, PDFs, online resources, past paper mark schemes, and random notes from lessons. The information is there, but it is fragmented. That fragmentation creates stress. You spend half your time looking for things before you even start revising. NotebookLM helps by acting like a base camp. It gives you one place where your revision sources can be gathered, organized, searched, and questioned. So the aim is not to replace your revision. The aim is to make your revision more manageable. NotebookLM offers grounded intelligence, unlike a general chatbot. It uses retrieval-augmented generation, meaning it only uses your uploaded sources. This keeps it safe, accurate, and private. The first practical step is to build your knowledge base. In NotebookLM, this means creating a notebook and adding sources. You might upload PDFs, such as class handouts, textbook chapters, past paper guidance, or revision booklets. You can add documents, such as typed notes or summaries from lessons. You can also include web links, such as educational articles or useful web pages, and in some cases, transcripts from videos. The important principle is this: better sources produce better revision. If you upload weak, confusing, or irrelevant material, your notebook will be less useful. Step 1 is building your knowledge base. You can upload PDFs and documents, web links, including YouTube transcripts, and even your own class notes and lecture reflections. Once your sources are uploaded, NotebookLM can start turning them into useful revision artifacts. A study guide can take dense material and turn it into a clearer structure, with key ideas and main takeaways. An auto-generated FAQ can create questions based on your sources. This is very useful, because revision should not just be passive reading. You need to practice retrieving information from memory. Concept maps can help you see links between different ideas, topics, or documents. That is especially useful in subjects where understanding connections matters. One of NotebookLM's most interesting features is the audio overview. This can turn your revision material into a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts. That can be especially useful when you are tired of reading, or when you want to revise while walking, traveling, or doing something else. For auditory learners, this can be a really helpful way to encounter the same material in a different format. But again, the important thing is not just listening passively. After listening, ask yourself, what were the key points? What can I remember? What do I still not understand? Audio summaries are not magic, but they can give you another route into the material. And sometimes, hearing an idea explained conversationally makes it click. This is probably the most important slide. You can employ an active learning strategy. Space your learning with bite-sized daily summaries, test your understanding with instant mock exams, and use multimodal review like audio summaries to keep your brain engaged. Join the podcast revolution. Transform your revision notes into an engaging, conversational audio overview. This podcast-style feature, with 2 AI hosts, is a deal for auditory and active learners. Remember to trust but verify. The killer feature of NotebookLM is its citation system. You can click a reference number, view the exact source passage, and verify facts instantly. This eliminates AI hallucination. NotebookLM stands out against general AI and web search. It uses your specific curriculum, offers one-click precise citations for evidence, and is grounded in your files, not prone to, quote, hallucinations. It is worth comparing NotebookLM with a normal web search or a general AI tool. With Google or a general chatbot, the data source is huge. That can be helpful, but it is also messy. You may get information from random websites, out-of-date pages, or sources that are not matched to your course. With NotebookLM, the data source is your own curriculum material. The evidence is also different. A general AI answer may not show clearly where its information came from. NotebookLM gives you precise citations back to your uploaded sources. That makes it much better for academic work. Having a citation for every claim changes exam prep. A student says it saves hours, while a teacher notes it ensures academic integrity by synthesizing actual course material. Now think about this question. How does having a citation for every claim change the way you prepare for a high-stakes exam? From a student point of view, it saves time. Instead of searching through a textbook for a page number or a quote, you can click the citation and go straight to the relevant section. From a teacher point of view, it supports academic integrity. Students are not just copying from random websites or asking AI to invent answers. They are working from their actual course material. That is the shift. Ready to conquer your revision? Start your personal study brain today at notebooklm.google. Scan your notes, upload your mind, and ace your exams. So to finish, NotebookLM is not a shortcut around learning. It is a tool for building a better revision system. You upload your sources, you organize your knowledge base, you generate study guides, FAQs, concept maps, and audio summaries. Then you test yourself, check citations, and build stronger understanding. The phrase on this slide says, scan your notes, upload your mind, ace your exams. That is slightly dramatic, but the principle is right. Don't let your revision materials sit in a messy pile. Turn them into a searchable, question-generating, citation-backed study brain.